That's a little insane. Holy cow.
Wait, tell us what's happening right now.
So we are at the recovery site. Artemis has landed about a half mile that way. We can get to it on this road and it'll just be 500 feet up into the woods. But we need to get permission from the town of Keene, or the city of Keene, which tomorrow is Sunday, so we're not going to get permission from them on a Sunday. And now we need to decide if we try or if we I wait until Monday and call them.
Isn't this technically video evidence that we are breaking the law?
if we actually walked in here, yes, but I'm not going to do that.
Oh, okay.
No, I would try to get permission.
You're not going to walk in there, got it.
Oh, well, yeah, I'm reading the sign. I mean, if they put the sign way over there, come on.
No,
I'm not trespassing yet. No, I do not trespass when I do this. So my name is John Garichet. I'm from Kingston, New York, and my company launched a high-altitude balloon from Olive, New York, and it has, after reaching 110,000 feet, it's come down and landed in the city of Keene's water supply land. So I'm trying to see if there's any way we can get permission. I know we might have to wait till Monday, but I'm hoping maybe you guys would be willing. It's about 400 feet off the road, which I see is plowed, and we would just love to be able to recover it. It's got a whole bunch of cameras and some scientific experiments, and a model rocket of the SLS Artemis that we filmed. So, is there any way you might be able to help me out?
Are you sure it's still intact? Because
yes.
The National Guard shot something down earlier this evening.
They shot something down, really?
Not much.
I would.
They said Chinese spy balloon. Does that sound familiar?
I'm familiar with the Chinese spy balloon. This is nothing like the Chinese spy balloon, and it was moving probably a lot faster than most people would be able to shoot it down. I mean, it was probably dropping at about. I want to pull the flashlight out of that. See what we can. That's the 2 zippers. Yeah. There it is. It's the sun. That thing is the sun. That would be very helpful though when if we get close to this thing. All right, so the deep part is just on the edge, and then it's like 8 inches. It's not too bad.
Not too shabby.
Oh, here, wait. Film down there, and then you can really see what we got here.
Oh, there we go.
So I just want to see what the signs say, and if there is a way around it. Climbing over fences is not an ideal thing.
Are you trying to hear it?
That's okay. Yeah.
Okay.
It's all right, Tyler. I don't hear anything now. Trying to hear it. Got my bionic ears, but they're not picking anything up. All right. It's through the area at about 20 miles an hour vertically. I mean, it probably landed about 15, 12 miles an hour, but the chances of them detecting, and I have I have 2 trackers on it, and they're both still working. So we're on Dakin Road. I could give you I could give you coordinates actually. That might be the easier thing.
Okay.
It's 42. Digital can give you the digital degrees and longitude and latitude. Sure. 42.935 0529. That's very specific, actually. Probably extra numbers I need, but comma minus 72.2249 854.
God, that's to within the.
Yeah, within a few inches, probably. It may be up in a tree, in which case we'll have to. We won't try to get it tonight, but if it's just, it may be, it often does come through trees. And I do a lot of these types of launches, and so we typically land in the woods like this.
What is this thing going to look like, and how big is that package?
It's got a parachute. It's about a 6-foot diameter parachute, but of course it's not going to be, spread out at the moment, although it might be caught up in the trees. And then it's got there's an orange box that's about 8 inches by 6 inches by 4 inches, with a radio and a loud alarm on it. That'll probably go, although if the battery gets too cold, it might stop tonight. And then below that is the Artemis ship with 3 cameras and a box full of the experiments and heaters and batteries.
A model spaceship.
And it's a model of the SLS Artemis, the rocket that's about to take the humans back to the moon for the first time in 50 some odd years. So that's supposed to launch next week. So that was part of the big part of this launch. So I don't know what the requirements are, and if somebody could just accompany me, or I don't want to cause problems. I certainly don't want to break any laws or anything.
Where are you coming? Where are you going to come from?
I am currently here at Dakin Road. I came from Kingston, New York, so it's about a 3.5-hour drive for me.
What's the road you're at?
It's the intersection of Middletown Road and Dakin Road, Dakin. And Dakin Road it goes in about like 100 feet, and then there's a fence and a warning that this is the city of Keens water supply lands, and there's no trespassing.
The town itself is Roxbury.
Oh, it is? Okay. But I'm calling you because it's the city of Keens property, and you're the only one I figured who would be around this late in the evening. So, and I don't know. I'm hoping you might just be able to help me out, and I understand if you guys are busy or whatever, but if it's easy to do.
So you're at that intersection right now.
I am, yes.
Okay, I am going to send an officer out there to help you guys out.
Awesome. That is really awesome. Thank you so much. Do you guys have access? There's a gate here. You guys wouldn't have the key.
Don't have access. How far away do you think it is?
Well, so it's down the road. I think it's going to be 0.6 miles walk down the road, and then it's about 400 feet up in the woods. And there's a chance it's up in a tree, in which case we'll have to come back in the daytime. And I'll plan on coming back, get the permission, and find out who has a key and see if they can accompany me. But if we can get it tonight, because there's a good chance that it's on the ground, and we would love to be able to get it tonight.
All right. So you're going to be at Middletown Road and Dakin Road, that intersection right there?
Yep.
All right. I'm going to have the dispatcher send an officer out there, and I'm going to let them use their judgment. They may not want to walk all that way into the freaking woods.
And I totally understand. It is a cold evening, and I do understand that. But we're fully prepared for that kind of thing. But I understand your officer may not be but I really appreciate the. Hopefully it'll be simple and we can make it happen. But I do understand if it's not.
Careful. Big drop.
Watch it. This is there's a big branch right here, and a big drop right there.
That's like a rock.
There's a huge rock.
It's a rock wall.
Yeah, it's right here. Yep, be careful. There's a lot of rocks here. A lot of very slippery rocks.
I think it's so bright. It's like I think we want to go right. Yeah.
I think it's over here. It does seem.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Go for it. That would, if it is. Oh. It's the sun. That thing is the sun. That would be very helpful though when if we get close to this thing. All right, so the deep part is just on the edge, and then it's like 8 inches. It's not too bad.
Not too shabby.
Oh, here, wait. Film down there, and then you can really see what we got here.
Oh, there we go.
So I just want to see what the signs say, and if there is a way around it. Finding over fences is not an ideal thing.
Are you trying to hear it?
That's okay. Yeah.
Okay.
It's all right, Tyler. I don't hear anything though. Trying to hear it. Got my bionic ears, but they're not picking anything up. All right.
There's a lot of branches right there. They're like up high. Just make sure not to trip. More of that. Ah, jeez. Really big one right there. Big ones here again. What? There you go. Sounds like it's up that way.
Okay, I gotta turn these ears off.
It's this way. It's this way or up?
It's this way. What was that?
What? That was not him. He just broke a branch. It's like right here. What?
Bro. It's somewhere right over here.
Yep.
Yeah, we're so close. It's right here.
Yeah, it's starting to sound low to me.
It is starting to sound low. Wait, could it be on the ground? Oh, it's right here.
Yep.
It's right here. Look in the trees.
Oh, it's down. It's right there.
It's right there?
It's on the ground.
Yes, it's right there!
It's on the ground. It's on the ground.
Oh
It's
my
on
God,
the
this
ground.
hike was worth it. I cannot believe that.
Oh,
Oh
man!
my God. It's actually on the ground. It's all together.
It's
There it
the
is.
whole thing is there.
That is so awesome. All right, I'm putting these down.
'Cause you don't need
Don't
that.
let me forget those.
All right.
I think it's on the way out.
Oh. Whoa!
That is amazing. Yeah,
It made it.
the rocket hole.
The rocket.
No.
The rocket is not there.
No, it is there.
Where is it?
The rocket's right here. It's in the snow.
You're right. It is. Wait. Turn that flashlight down.
Here, wait. Sorry. Let me just shut this off.
Oh my god, we actually found it on the ground. After all that,
You want to turn the flashlight off?
Yeah.
there's the rock.
There's the rocket.
Somebody's flashlight is making a lot of weird things on here. Oh wait.
Oh,
Oh my god.
the top. The crew cabin's gone. The only thing that made it are the boosters.